Hello everyone, how are you? Let me now introduce. My name is Nun Jauhar Amena of the Study University BSE. The major S1 System Information. I want to tell you about the topic My Teacher English. I have the best English teacher in the world. Her name is Miss Ito and she's learning English. So much funny. Respect teacher and my dear friend. A very good morning to all of you. Our teachers are more than just educators. They are our guiders, mentor and inspiration. They tirelessly working to build our character, teach us to thinking critically, and helping us develop our skill. This always start our lesson a big smile. She say, "Good morning, hello everyone," in a cheerful way that it made us all happy. She teaches us new words and how to read and written in English. But what I love most is when she reads a story. She's using funny voice for different character and well all visual. She is patient and kind. She's helping us when we make mistakes and encourage us to do our best. She's also planning exciting activities like spelling bees and creative written content. I even want a prize on. As students, we promise to always respect your teacher and strive to make you proud through our action. I am so lucky to have my English teacher. Learning English with her is an adventure and I cannot wait of our next class. Let us remember to value their effort every single day, not just today. Thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teacher Day.